great D16 kiloyoid toilet bidet. I cannot tell you how much I am crazy about this thing. I love this new toilet. It is the toilet of the future, has so many great features. It is an automatic, tankless, heated air, heated seat, heated water bidet. It is beautiful, it is contemporary, it is the toilet of the future. And I'm gonna point out all its great features and I'm gonna show you the use and why I love it. But first, let me just say, get this thing. I will never go back to using anything else but this. I am so pleased with this toilet. One of my favorite features is the open and close touchless method. You simply pass your foot in front of the split sensor here, once to open it like that, twice to open the actual seat. And inside here is this nice elongated bowl that is clean. It comes with a foam technology where you can put in a foam in this inner sensor here and it will automatically clean the toilet all the time. You cannot beat that. That foam is sold separately, easily ordered on Amazon. The features of this toilet are endless. These are the two bidets here. There's a rear and a front bidet. They operate from the remote control. This is awesome. You do not have to use those. It can fully function as a regular toilet. And you can simply press this little round button on the side to operate it as a normal toilet. So if anybody wants to know, is it a toilet and a bidet? It is. And there's no large learning curve. So I'm going to show you how you can close it. You simply pass your foot in front of it again and it closes it. It automatically flushes. There is a way to turn that off if you want to, but that's the default system, which I love. You see here, this digital display tells you the heated seat. Yes, there is a heated seat. Look at the features here. On this remote, you can operate all these things or you can have it operate with default. It is so easy and so great. I love it. It comes with a little shelf that you can hang it on, but I'm gonna leave it open for now, but it does hang easily with all the hardware and the shelf that comes with it. You can flush, front wash, rear wash, dry, and stop at any time. It has a massage. Yes, it does. A heat and cool massage. It is antibacterial, the seat. All these cleansing features are so far superior that it is something that you're going to want. When the lights are out, the night light comes on automatically so you can see your way to it. No reason to turn on the light. And when the lid closes and opens, it is perfectly silent. It does not wake anyone up. That is so great. When you're using it, you can change the setting. You can do a water temperature, an air temperature, and a seat temperature, high, medium, and low on each one. There's a bidet arm for the front and the rear. Each of these buttons here can help you get the nozzle position forward or backwards, and you can have the water pressure higher or lower. It's completely customizable to what you want, and you don't have to pick a customized mode and stay with it. You can adjust it every single time if you choose to, or you can let it be in a default setting. It's just so great. Now, let's just talk a minute about the dryer. This dryer is unbelievable. You can have it whatever temperature you want, and it completely blows warm air to dry your body without you having to do anything. That feature alone makes it so nice and sanitary that you will be so pleased. This is a luxury item that is now a necessity, so I will never use anything else. This round button here is an auto flush, like a manual flush if you choose to. There's a lot of features that each of these buttons do that you can read with the great instructions that come with it. You've heard that automatic flush. That is so great too. It automatically flushes when the toilet has been used and is completely finished. Now, it has this beautiful display area. This little top comes off. This is where you put the foam shield in that keeps it automatically cleaning. And that goes right back on with the magnet system. That keeps it cleaned all the time without having to think about it. This automatic cleaning feature is splash proof and it helps keep odors isolated. It will clean within the toilet and you don't have to do anything to it. It just does it. It has smart home integration, which is unbelievable. This is a toilet of the future. No ugly tank, very nice, sleek, and clean. All the hardware is included. And this little rectangular box here is optional. It is included with the toilet, but it has a backup battery system in case the power goes out. It also is long enough, that cord, to slip behind, and the batteries come separately, but they're easy to find on Amazon or at your local hardware store. That you can simply put this away. That cord is long enough to slide it behind you and long enough to slide it up. Another important thing to point out about this toilet is it is ADA compliant, ensuring easy use for all users, and it is something that you can grow with. As seniors might have more challenges, it is perfect ADA compliant, and it is ergodynamic with plenty of room on either side. You do not have the room that takes up with the tank, so you have a lot more free room for moving around in front of the toilet area. There is ample room. I am in a small water closet within my master bathroom with a door that closes. So this is a small area, but it is very roomy, much more roomy than the traditional toilet, and lots of room to put supplies, baskets, a shelf if you would like. If you choose to use the manual button or the remote control. There is ample room for people that are taller than I am. Very tall people with long legs can easily fit here. I highly recommend this toilet bidet system. This product was given to me for my honest review, and I have reviewed every single bit about this toilet, every feature, every benefit, and I can happily tell you after using it for some time that it is terrific. I would highly recommend buying it.